looking like somebody's auntie.
Hello there! In this video, I'm demonstrating the watercolor method that I use to dye my AliPearl hair. Hope you enjoy! Things you'll need: a bowl, hot water, liquid hair dye, something to mix the dye in the water, hair of your choice, and a towel. I boiled the water in my kettle and then I put the water in the container that I had. Next, I applied the crazy color peach coral, mixed it all up, and then started dunking the hair in the water. As you can see, I'm just going back and forth, swaying in and out slightly, and then I let it sit.
It's popping up a bit more vibrant on the camera than I feel like it looks like in person. So I have the wig here on the side so you can see kind of the color. It is dry up close all around. See at the top, the roots. And the hair is a bit dry looking, but that's alright. And it has like pinkish tones because of the Adore.
Here I'm just adding the Adore fruit punch to the water and just re-dipping the hair.
So this is the color when I add the fruit punch. It's a bit more on the pinkish side now.
I'm adding the dark brown to the water just to mute the color a little bit and make it more rosy.
Once I add the brown to it.
Just demonstrating how I dipped my wig when I was doing the initial dyeing process. So basically I just put in the ends of the hair first and then laid the hair slowly in the water, dipped it, dunked it in, swish it around as you can see. Then I just wringed the hair out with my hands and let it air dry.